My dear little ones, welcome to my class. In our previous class, we studied number names and place of numbers. We studied two places, ones place and tens place. From the right side, first place is ones place and second digit from the right is tens place. You learn it well? Okay, today we continue the lesson. In our last class, we reached up to 29. Number 29 has 9 ones and 2 tens. Number name of 29 is TWENTY. 29. NINE. After 29, the next number is 30. Children, today we can learn from 30 onwards. Listen here. Number 30. From the right side, first place is ones place and second place tens place. Number 30, first place ones place digit is 0. So 0 ones. And how many tens? 3 tens. From the right side, second digit is 3. 3 is in tens place. So 3 tens is equal to 30. 3 tens make 30. That is 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. 10 plus 10. 3 tens make 30. Now, what is the number name of 30? THIRTY. 30. Number name of 30 is THIRTY. 30. Children, after 30, which number comes? Yes, after 30, 31. 31. Number 31. Which digit is in ones place? Yes, from the right side, first place is ones place and second place tens place. So, ones place digit is 1. And how many tens are in 31? 3 tens. From the right side, second digit is 3. So, 3 is in tens place. 3 tens means 30. So, number 31, 3 tens and 1 1. 31 number name. You know number name of 30. THIRTY. 30. Number name of 30. Children, if you learn the number name of 30 by heart, you can easily write 31 to 39. So, in order to write number name of 31, first you write 30, then 1. O-N-E. 1. You already know the number name of 1 to 9. No? THIRTY 30. O-N-E. 31. Children, now listen here. After 31, 32. How many ones? Yes, from the right side, first place is ones place. How many ones are here? 2 ones. And how many tens? 3 tens. So 3 tens plus 2 ones is equal to 32. 10 plus 10 plus 10. 30 plus 2 ones is equal to 32. Now, number name of 32. THIRTY. 30. You already know the spelling of 30. THIRTY. 30. The 2. TWO. 32. Dear children, now look in your test, page number 119. Complete the number chart. 10 plus 10 plus 10. 3 tens is equal to 30. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 1. 3 tens plus 1 1 is equal to 31. 3 tens plus 2 ones is equal to 32. Next one, 3 tens. How many tens are here? 1, 2, 3. So, 3 tens plus how many ones? 1, 2, 3. 3 ones is equal to 33. THIRTY 33. Next one, 3 tens plus 4 ones. 3 tens plus 4 ones is equal to 34. 34 spelling THIRTY. 4 spelling FOUR. 34. 3 tens plus 5 ones. 3 tens plus 5 ones is equal to 35. THIRTY 30. FIVE 5. Next one, 3 tens plus 6 ones is equal to 36. SIX. THIRTY 30. SIX 6. 36. Next, 10 plus 10 plus 10. 3 tens. 3 tens plus how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ones is equal to 30 plus 7. 37. THIRTY 30. 7. SEVEN 7. Next one, 110 plus 110 plus 110. 1, 2, 3. 3 tens. 3 tens plus how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones is equal to 38. THIRTY 30. 8 spelling EIGHT. 8. 38. Next, 10 plus 10 plus 10. 3 tens. 3 tens plus how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ones is equal to 39. THIRTYNINE 39. Children, look here. How many chocolates are there in this box? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 110 is equal to 10. 110 plus 110 plus 110 is equal to 30. 110 plus 110 plus 110 plus 1 chocolate is equal to 31. 110 plus 110 plus 110 plus 2 chocolates is equal to 32. 110 plus 110 plus 110 plus 3 chocolates is equal to 33. 110 plus 110 plus 110 plus 4 chocolate is equal to 34. 110 plus 110 plus 110 plus 5 chocolates is equal to 35. 110 plus 110 plus 110 plus 6 chocolates is equal to 36. 110 plus 110 plus 110 plus 7 chocolates is equal to 37. 110 plus 110 plus 110 plus 8 chocolates is equal to 38. 110 plus 110 plus 110 plus 9 chocolates is equal to 39. Okay children, after 39 comes 40. 40. How many ones? From the right side, first place, ones place. Ones place digit is 0. So 0 ones And how many tens? 4 tens. That means 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 40. 1 ten, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens. 4 tens make 40. Number 40 has 0 ones and 4 tens. Now number name of 40. F O R T Y. What is the number name of 40? F O R T Y. 40. Children, see these numbers 4, 14 and 40. Now the spelling of 4 is F O U R. 4. The number name of 14 F O U R T E E N. 14. The number name of 40 is F O R T Y. Number name of 40, there is no U. 4 has U, 14 has also U. Number 40 has no U. Okay children, after 40, 41. Number 41, how many ones? First from the right side, first place is ones place and second place is tens place. How many ones are here? 1. And how many tens? 4. 4 tens and 1 makes 41. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. 4 tens make 40. Plus 1 is equal to 41. 40 plus 1 is equal to 41. The number name of 41 is F-O-R-T-Y. 40 O-N-E 1. 41. So 41, 42. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. 1 ten, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens. 4 tens make 40. Plus 2 is equal to 40 plus 2, 42. 42 number name F O R T Y 40. F O R T Y 40. 2 spelling T W O 2. 42. Children, look here. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. 4 tens is equal to 40. F-O-R-T-Y 40. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. 4 tens plus 1. 41. 4 tens plus 1 is equal to 41. 4 tens plus 1 2. 2 ones. 4 tens plus 2 ones is equal to 42. F-O-R-T-Y 42. T-W-O 42. Next one, 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. How many tens are here? 4 tens. 4 tens plus how many ones? 1, 2, 3. 3 ones is equal to 43. F-O-R-T-Y T-H-R-E-E 43. Next, 4 tens. 4 tens plus how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones is equal to 44. F-O-R-T-Y 40. F-O-U-R 44. Next one. 1 ten, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens. 4 tens make 40. 4 tens plus how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones is equal to 45. 45 number name of 45 is F-O-R-T-Y T-Y. 40. 5 spelling. F-I-V-E. 5. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens. 4 tens plus how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones is equal to 46. 46 number name F-O-R-T-Y. 46. S-I-X. 6. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens. 4 tens plus how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ones is equal to 47. 47 number name of 47 is F-O-R-T-Y. 47. S-E-V-E-N. 7. 47. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens. 4 tens plus how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones is equal to 48. 48 number name of 48 is F-O-R-T-Y. 48. E-I-G-H-T. 8. 48. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens. 4 tens plus how many ones are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ones. 4 tens plus 9 ones is equal to 49. So number name of 49 is F-O-R-T-Y. 49. N-I-N-E. 49. Look here children, how many toys are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now 110 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 40. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 1 is equal to 41. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 2 is equal to 42. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 3 is equal to 43. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 4 is equal to 44. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 is equal to 45. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 6 is equal to 46. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 7 is equal to 47. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 8 is equal to 48. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 9 is equal to 49. And you have a homework for today. Look at this page. 3 examples are here. 2 tens is equal to 20. 2 tens plus 1 1 is equal to 21. 2 tens plus 2 ones is equal to 22. Look at these examples and complete these columns. Okay? Dear children, we will stop here for today. Study well the number and number names up to 49 and do your homework. We shall continue with this lesson in the coming week. Take care and be happy. Bye-bye.